The lack of selling was evident on Friday when the Dow closed above where it opened, creating a green candle. Even though the Dow was down on Friday, 23 points, it became evident that maybe the 34 EMA was starting to act as a support level. Today's lower open in the Dow, creating a bullish engulfing signal, probably was on the basis of Boeing opening much lower, but the rest of the market stocks were trading higher, which was evident in the fact that the NASDAQ as well as the S&P 500 opened higher and then continued to trade up strong. The NASDAQ up 150 points, well above the T-line. This kind of allows the visual analysis that now that we're back up above the T-line, we might be coming back up to the existing trend channel with the profit taking over and continuing with more upside. Numerous stocks such as ALGN had a doji hammer, then a bullish confirmation today with stochastics curling back up, creating a Morningstar signal telling us the 50-day moving average was acting as support and the T-line was not acting as resistance, allowing for the analysis that there's probably some more upside, at least a quick pop to fill the gap, and then the potential of coming back up into this existing trend and trading higher. Tesla also showed bullish strength after a couple of dojis in the oversold area and it closing back up above the T-line. Even though Tesla may be in a downtrend, at least the short-term trader can anticipate they could be bringing the trend back up to test the 50-day moving average, making for a short-term trade. And patterns such as the fry pan bottom seen in VHC did break out today through that level, producing a strong probability that fry pan bottom breakout could create another price move of this magnitude. Knowing that the market itself may be holding or moving up adds that much more credibility to a fry pan bottom breakout without investor sentiment fearing that the market was selling off hard. When everything's moving in the same direction, where all the stars are in alignment, a pattern breakout has that much more probability of performing like it is expected coming out of a breakout situation. And the appearance of very strong reversal signals, like the left-right combo, a doji followed by a bullish engulfing signal. Although stochastics are up here in the overbought area, we had a left-right combo break out of a fry pan bottom. The uptrend remains in progress with the prospect that after coming through the 50, the next target could be the 200-day moving average, based upon knowing that a left-right combo produces a very high probability of not only moving in a bullish direction, but with a lot of strength in that direction. Apple had a gap up off of kind of a small belt hold signal, gapping up through the resistance level, also making the prospects of another strong move such as this going into this area. And Nvidia, same scenario. A belt hold piercing signal right at the 50-day moving average. Testing it the second time. Now a big breakout through the T-line. If it breaks out through this level, another magnitude move of this right here could take you up into this range. Once again, identifying the signals and where they're occurring, both at major support levels and where the stochastics are, it dramatically enhances the probabilities that you've recognized where the bulls are buying and creating a very strong price move. Look for more upside in this overall market trend as long as the indexes stay above the T-line. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.